Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you how to make the video sensing on Scratch. First, you need to add the video sensing extension. Now let's make this like this. Okay, let's make it 20. If we want to pet the cat, well, I'm gonna play some meow. What? Wait, why is that showing up? Okay. It's just not appearing. So, and if you want to be more creative, choose another one. Dragon. I'll pick the blue because it's easier. Blue. Okay. Here. I'm just gonna click the blocks. See? It works. And that's how you use video sense. And that's how you use the video sensing. Before I go, sorry that it not appeared. I think it's just because I'm recording it. Well, anyways.